Haha, what now? Dude, you're an idiot.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore? Bow to Jesus for greatness. That's why I have to say this. You should be honored by my lateness, that I would even show up to this station. So go ahead, go nuts, go ace. Especially in my pastel on my face. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel, homie. Take shit, take this.